These are stem cells, coaxed into beating by Dr. Amit Patel and his colleagues from the University of Pittsburgh Medical Center.
Those cells had nothing to do with becoming heart muscle, but within less than a week, we were able to train them to become heart muscle.
Stem cells live in many tissues in our bodies, standing by for maintenance and repair. Unlike our other cells, stem cells can develop into just about any kind of cell: brain, muscle, bone, fat.
Almost anything you could possibly think of in the body, over 220 different cell types, all come from stem cells.
49-year-old Michael Carlett desperately hopes that stem cells can turn into heart cells in his own body. A few years ago, his heart started to give out, catastrophically.
Mr. Carlett's heart is very sick. He had a very large heart attack. When you look at the heart, it's a pump. And normally, 60% of what goes into the heart should come out with every heartbeat. In Mr. Carlett, only 30% comes out.
I was put on the heart transplant list and just waiting over a year for something to happen. There's 4,500 people on the list, and I'm 275 pounds, I'm 6'4". It's hard to find a match for me. So waiting on that list would have just been waiting to just play out the last couple of years, and that'll be it.
With few other options, Michael enrolled in a highly experimental clinical trial in which Patel performs a risky bypass on his heart's damaged area, extracts stem cells from his hip bone, and injects them back into Michael's heart. It's not clear what these cells will do there. Help grow new blood vessels, increase the number of muscle fibers. The hope is that they'll help coax Michael's heart into healing itself.
We don't know what they do, but they seem to know what's required.
And though it's early, in Michael's case, they already seem to be working. Just 3 months after his surgery, Michael's heart pumps 25% more blood than it did before. The difference between barely climbing a flight of stairs and playing basketball.
It's working, so I'm not going to ask why, how, what. And in essence, he saved my life. If I didn't go to him, I probably would have just not been around today.